What's up, guys? So originally in this video I just planned on going out and I was gonna go hit a road that I like to hit, and then I was just gonna grab something to eat and head home, but we ended up running into another guy on a scooter, and we made a friend. He needs some help working on his scooter, so I'm gonna help him out. But so you'll just have to see how it goes in the video, so check it out. I'd have to let some air pressure out of my tires, man. These streets we have the worst roads in the country. So hopefully this angle looks alright. I'm using my chest mount right now. Find a soda machine, man. I'm thirsty. Gotta be another person on an e-bike or a scooter somewhere. I'm determined to find somebody to ride with. I think I might get a chin mount for my camera as well too, instead of this chest mount. need a drink so bad. You know what, I might stop here at Qdoba real quick and grab a drink. I know they have shit. My tires feel like they're gonna vibrate off the fucking body. I'm kind of hungry, actually. Maybe we'll go get some food real quick. Grab a little bite to eat. I'm trying to go up to where like all the rich neighborhoods are and see if maybe there's a kid on a Sur-Ron or something that wants to roll around. There's got to be another person on the scooter, man. I can't be the only one. Yeah, I love this place, man. They have the best hot dogs. Ugh. Yep. Hell yeah. Dude, how rad is that, man? We fucking ran into another guy with a scooter. What are the chances of that? Like, I was just talking about how I want to find somebody to ride with, and then we just roll up, and while we're getting food, I saw a dude across the street, and he was like staring right at me. I was like, is this guy looking at me? And then, so he came over to check out my scooter, and we went riding around. He needs some work done to his scooter though, so I think I'm gonna help him out. Oh, it's getting cold. But yeah, guys, that's it, man. We made a friend. Let's go. We'll be back. I'm gonna aim for a video at least once a week right now. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on my other socials, and I'll see you next time.